Hi there, let's review this book, Essential Dutch Grammar from the Teach Yourself series. You can see here, written by Gerdy Quist and Dennis Strik. However, first of all, the title in the second edition changed into this one, Dutch Grammar You Really Need to Know. However, the content remained more or less the same, but about that more later. So also the book cover changed a little bit, so if you don't recognize it, it's okay. The title, that's the title you will be looking for. Writers also didn't change. All right, so what is this book? Well, this book is a grammar book for beginners. So if you're an absolute beginner and you're like, well, I really like to have more grammatical background in the Dutch language, well, then this book might be just the right thing to buy. The book is mostly in English, so the explanations of the Dutch grammar are completely in English. So there are some Dutch examples, and there are some exercises that you can do that are in Dutch. It's a little bit a boring book. As you can see, it's in black and white. No pictures at all, but that's not what you would be expecting in a grammar book, right? The price of this book is rather low, but not the lowest. So how would you qualify this book? Well, it's a typical boring grammar book. It's the thing that you would grab when you're like, yeah, that thing, I have difficulties with that thing. And then you go to the table of contents, and you're like, oh yeah, the plural, where's the plural? Oh, here's the plural of nouns, page 31, that is, and then you go to page 31, and then you learn a little bit about the plural of nouns, and then, where is it, page 31? Here's the plural of nouns, and then you're like, okay, yeah, that's how it is. Okay, let's make a few exercises. I make a few exercises, and that's it. And that's exactly why you should be buying this book. If you're a person that really likes to repeat certain things and wants to see things explained in English, this is your book. What did I like about this book? Well, first of all, it answers the grammar questions that you would be asking as an absolute beginner. If you're not really into grammar, or you don't really like to see things explained, well, please don't buy this book. So it's a reference book, and there are also some tips to learn Dutch and generally to learn languages. What I did not like so much about the book is the structure. It's, when you're going through it, it's you miss a little bit of a well-defined structure, but okay, it's not really bad. All right, so it's a typical grammar book for beginners. If you want to buy this book, feel free to buy it through the links in the description, and do not confuse this book with the other book from Teach Yourself, which is to learn general Dutch, but I have luckily a review for that one too, which you can see appearing there. It's to generally learn the Dutch language, not only for grammar. So this one is only for grammar. So maybe see you there.